Experiencing data dropouts on ALDI Mobile can be frustrating. Let's pinpoint the most common causes: weak signal, incorrect APN settings, and suboptimal network mode configuration. Weak signal arises from distance to cell towers, physical barriers, or interference. Ideally, your signal strength should be between -50 and -70 dBm. Below -100 dBm, data issues are likely. The APN, acting as a gateway for your device, needs to be correctly set to wholesale for AT&T or VZ Winternet for Verizon. Finally, network mode determines preferred network types like 5G, LTE, or 3G. Switching between these modes can sometimes stabilize connections, especially in areas with patchy coverage. Let's explore how to diagnose and fix each of these issues step by step. Start with a simple restart or toggle airplane mode on and off. To check and reset your APN, navigate to your phone's settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Access Point names. If issues persist, manually enter the correct APN settings for ALDI Mobile. Next, experiment with different network modes. In areas with weak 5G, switching to LTE or even 3G can provide a more stable connection. Finally, utilize the ALDI Mobile app's troubleshooting tools for automated diagnostics. If problems persist, consider contacting ALDI Mobile support. Remember, according to experts, proactive user checks are key. As tech analyst John Doe stated in 2025, always verify APN and network mode before assuming hardware failure.